Good morning, Rax. Today is Monday, May 18th, which makes today I Love Reese's Day. There you go. It was a good day. What was it, 92 years ago, the Reese's Pieces or the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup was born. Three big things. Counselors Connect has a new series, and I like what Monday says. It says focus on what you can do and not what you can't do. I think that's really critical. There's things that we get to do right now, like sleep in or, kind of choose our work times that we can benefit from. We get to spend time around people that we care about. So keep that in mind as you move through this. I mentioned over Friday's morning announcement, but it's dropped, episode 8 of Stories to Help You Fall Asleep with Ladies and Gentlemen by John Carroll Oates, up and posted. And we mentioned this about a month ago. If you or anybody in your family is struggling in any sort of way, whether it be financial or mental issue going on or something else, domestic violence, anything of that nature, don't be afraid to reach out to a staff member that you trust and you know will do the right thing. Birthdays go out to Allison Acosta. And happy birthday to Walina. Hey, mister. Happy birthday to Walina. So those are the birthdays for today. Get the week started. Second half of the final quarter of the year. Have a great day, Rex.